Hi, welcome to the R&J Machinery showroom. Let's get you started on your Hebrock F4 demo. Here's the Hebrock F4. This is a complete finishing solution in a compact shell. This is a high-end Edgebander, leaving you with a high-end finish. So the F4, as I say, is complete. It has pre-milling, end trim, top and bottom trimming, corner rounding and radius flat scraper finishing sections. As you can see from the outside, grey machine lined up with the rest of the Altendorf group range. We've got extension bars for extra support. We've got the panel thickness adjustment, tape infeed fence, and then we've got the well-known control system, which is the same for the rest of the Hebrock range. So let me take you through the control system. So when we turn the machine on, here you can see the start page. This area allows us to turn the glue pot on and select and change between glue types. So when we press the spanner symbol, it takes us into this menu here where we can change to PUR and EVA. We can also adjust the glue temperature to our preference or the glue manufacturer's preference nice and easily through this little keypad. At the moment we've got EVA in with a melting temperature of 190 degrees. We've also got the ability to take the glue all the way up to 220 degrees, making the glue very viscous and allowing us to clean the pot out nice and easily. As you can see, the EVA is selected. In green, it means the pot is heating up. The glue pot should get up to temperature within 4 minutes. While that's heating, we can go through to the main page, where you can see our different recipes across the top, all symbolising what working units that we have within the machine. On the right hand side, we can select a pre-written programme from the menu here. Once I've selected plastic R2, you can see which recipe is highlighted and which working units are going to work or not work when we select this programme. In green, it means the working unit is on. If we press the button, it's turned off. So, turned on, we have pre-milling, guillotine, end trim saws, top and bottom milling, corner rounding off for first pass, but easily turned on for second pass, radius scraping, flat scraping. Again, we've got spanner symbols underneath these working units, allowing us to edit while we are inside the programme. For the end trim saws, we can select to leave a tab on the front edge or the back edge, or we can trim flush. On the top and bottom milling, we can select radius, chamfer or flat at the push of a button, and that's selectable between the top edge and the bottom edge. We've also got the adjustment in the radius scrapers. Now this is really interesting. So if we select the spanner, we can select top rad and bottom rad, but also on this system we can change between 1mm radius scrapers and 2mm radius scrapers, which is pretty unheard of a machine this size. Also, when we turn the corner rounding unit on, we can select whether we want the corner rounder to go all the way around the panel or straight up, just machining a bit of a flush chamfer on the edge. On this particular programme, it's saved as a radius, so we get a nice finished 2mm corner round. And that can be selected on the front of the panel and the back of the panel independently. So, as we can see, we're up to 169 degrees, not far off the working temperature. While it's getting the rest of the way there, let me show you inside the machine. So, in the first cabinet, we've got the pre-milling section with pre-milling adjustment, and we've got the glue station. So this glue station is quick release, quick heat up, and has the ability to open the bottom gate and let the glue out. We open there, the glue will start running out from outside the pot. This is brilliant for cleaning out PUR or changing the colour. When we open the second cabinet, we can see the end trim saw, top and bottom milling station with 3-point pneumatic adjustment, so we can easily change from radius to chamfer to flat through the PLC. No messing around inside. We've got the radius scraper, again, with pneumatic adjustment between radius 1 and radius 2. So you don't have to just put up with a chamfer or removal of the Aris on your 1mm, you can do a full 1mm radius on 1mm tape. And again, that's automatically adjustable through the front controller. There is fine adjustment through these working units, but it's really simple to do, just in case you need to be running some heavily embossed board or something a little bit different. But on the day-to-day running of the machine, you shouldn't have to open this control panel. So as we move further down the machine, the F4 then has the corner rounding station with pneumatic adjustment from the PLC and the flat scrapers. So again, the machine's compact, but the finish is absolutely perfect. Let's go back and we'll run the machine and show you what it can do. So let's get the machine started. Press the start button, wait for the green light to come on. And away we go. As expected, consistently, it's a perfect finish. Minimal glue line, perfect radius, perfectly corner rounded. So to change over the glue pot, we remove these pneumatic fittings. One's big and one's small, so you can't get them wrong. We remove the electrical connection, we remove the glue drain, and we remove the handle that's holding the pot in. Once they've been removed, we can easily change over onto the glue stand that comes with the second pot. Our next pot's waiting, ready to go. And drops into place nice and smooth. Once this new pot's on, we can reconnect electrically and pneumatically. Again, one big connection, one small connection. Lock the pot back onto the machine. And reconnect the handle for the glue drain. Once that's done, we can now go up and turn the pot back on. Now we've just changed from a dark glue to a white glue.